With long-term vision, iron metal and steely strength, Visa Steel, the manufacturing arm of the Visa Group, is moving ahead to become a fully integrated producer of special and stainless steel in India. The journey began in 1994 in Kolkata when the former Director Raw Materials of Tata Steel, Mr. Vishwambar Saran, took over as chairman of the Visa Group after having spent 25 years with Tata Steel. His foresight, rich experience, vast knowledge and vision laid the foundations for what the Visa Group has been progressively unfolding. Starting from scratch, the Visa Group has already developed the international trading and logistics business through a strong network of offices across 7 countries. In 1994, it was amongst the first Indian companies to set up its own representative office in Beijing. This global presence helped the group to develop a strong understanding of the iron and steel business and gain from the booming international trade between India and China. The operations gradually grew to countries including Australia, South Africa and Indonesia. The Visa Group is now a minerals and metals conglomerate with interests in carbon products, minerals, ferroalloys, iron and steel products, non-ferrous products and the generation of electric power. Visa Steel, with its registered office in Bhubaneswar, began in 1999 with its first manufacturing unit at Golagaon in the form of a chrome ore beneficiation plant and subsequently a chrome ore grinding plant. These units produce high-grade chrome concentrates and chrome ore powder. Visa Steel is also active in the logistics and exports of iron ore fines and the import and marketing of coal through various ports in India. On the 26th of December 2003, Visa Steel signed an MOU with the government of Odisha for setting up an integrated special and stainless steel plant at the Kalinganagar Industrial Complex in the mineral-rich state of Odisha. The state alone accounts for 99% of India's chrome ore deposits, which is vital for stainless steel making. Capitalizing on its network, industry knowledge, vast experience, and with the global trend of the steel industry relocating closer to raw material sources, Visa Steel formulated its vision and strategy. Their endeavor was to become a low-cost producer of steel through full integration and to focus on value-added niche products such as special and stainless steel. The first phase of the integrated special and stainless steel facility at Kalinganagar, Odisha, comprises of a 225,000 tons per annum pig iron plant, 400,000 tons per annum coke oven plant, 50,000 tons per annum ferrochrome plant, 300,000 tons per annum sponge iron plant, 50 megawatts waste heat recovery power plant, and 0.5 million tons per annum special and stainless steel. In April 2004, work began at a feverish pace and the pig iron plant was commissioned in a record 11 months in March 2005. The coke oven plant is currently under implementation and is expected to be commissioned by the first half of 2006. The infrastructure over an already acquired 520 acres plot of land at Kalinganagar is now ready for brownfield expansions. Some of the key competitive strengths that enabled Visa Steel to implement its strategy, including location and efficient logistics, raw material linkages, technology selection and operational excellence, niche products and professional management. 3 to 4 tons of raw material are needed for producing each ton of steel. Therefore, it is very important for the steel plant to be located close to vital raw material sources, including those for power, water and deep draft port. Visa Steel took the advantage of being the first movers in Kalinganagar, which offers excellent location and logistic advantages through close proximity to key raw materials and infrastructure. The Daitari iron ore mine of OMC is only 30 kilometers away. The Sukinda chrome ore mines are 35 kilometers away, and the Talcher coalfields are 110 kilometers away. Paradeep Port, a deep draft all-weather port for the import of coking coal, is 120 kilometers away. The plant location is only 2 kilometers away from Jhakapura railway station, which is on the main Kolkata-Chennai line, and where the newly constructed Bashpani-Jhakapura railway link for the movement of iron ore joins the main line. The newly built power grid nearby gives access to the power line, and the perennial Brahmani river at a distance of 5 kilometers provides water security. Steel consultants and analysts have pointed out the trend among global steel majors to be close to raw material sources. Visa Steel has already implemented this policy while going in for the production of special and stainless steel. Visa Steel also enjoys captive raw material linkages, as the supply of critical raw materials has been tied up through captive mining leases and long-term agreements. Iron ore is currently being sourced from mining majors including OMC, OMDC and Sesagawa until the commencement of mining operations of the company. The Visa Group has also made a strategic investment in Millennium Coal Private Limited, a coking coal mining venture in the coal-rich state of Queensland in Australia, which has allowed Visa Steel to secure a long-term agreement for uninterrupted supply of coking coal. The Patropada coal block has been allotted for developing mining of steam coal at Talcher in Odisha. The company is also exploring and developing a chrome ore deposit in Odisha through its subsidiary company Ghotaringa Minerals Limited. The process route of hot metal and hot DRI into the electric arc furnace selected by Visa Steel is the future of high-quality steel making in India. It enhances global competitiveness by allowing optimal use of indigenous resources. The process allows substitution of scrap by hot metal and DRI, thereby reducing raw material costs and specific energy consumption. The waste heat is recovered to generate low-cost power for captive use and also offers carbon credits for trading. The electric arc furnace, along with facilities for LRF, VD and AOD, allow better control on steel chemistry and the production of value-added niche products. Some of the technology advantages of the blast furnace already commissioned include blowers and stoves, which allow for high productivity and lower coke rate. The stamp charging technology used in the coke ovens allow blending of lower-cost semi-soft and non-coking coals with hard coking coal. The company has used the best of experienced consultants and contractors to ensure quick and timely execution of projects. Visa Steel plans to focus on special and stainless steel to cater to the growing demand from the auto components, automobile, infrastructure and engineering sectors. India also has tremendous potential for growth in stainless steel demand, especially in building construction, automotive, railways, transport, white goods, kitchenware and machinery sectors. It is this demand that has prompted Visa Steel to go in for special and stainless steel production, and the company is poised to take advantage of this growth. Visa Steel believes in high standards of corporate governance, which is reflected by a strong board of directors chaired by Mr. Vishwambar Saran. Other members on the board include Mr. Mayashankar Verma, former chairman of the State Bank of India, Mr. Arvind Pandey, former chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, Mr. D.P. Bagchi, former chief secretary of Odisha, Mr. Shanti Narayan, former member Traffic Railway Board, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Khaitan, managing partner of Khaitan & Company, Dr. S.K. Tamotia, former CMD Nalco, Mr. Vikas Agarwal, managing director Visa Comtrade AG, Mr. Vivek Agarwal, former consultant Booz Allen, Mr. Vishal Agarwal, managing director of the company. Visa Steel thrives on happy and motivated employees and empowers them with responsibilities to put their best foot forward, be a team player, and develop a sense of organizational ownership. As a responsible corporate house, the company believes in sustainable development and fulfills its social responsibilities through various activities implemented by the Visa Charitable Trust. These include activities in the sphere of education, medical facilities, and sports. Visa Steel is determined to shape the future with minerals and metals, with steely resolve